at the Sofitel, New York City. It's on 44th Street, right downtown, right near all the theater district. It's really in the middle of everything. It's a couple blocks from Times Square. So I'm gonna flip this around and I'm gonna show you guys what the room looks like. So this is the little bathroom. So you walk in and they have some nice music playing. It's really pretty. They have, okay, where's the light? Here we go. So super clean bathroom, really pretty, nice fixtures, separate soaking tub, separate shower, bathroom, very pretty, very well designed in here. And it's got like little French doors, art on the wall. And you come in here, and there's a desk. There, room temperature thingy. Big mirror, nice TV. Let's see, little drawer. Ooh, and then there's one of those like stacked fridges that everything costs you to purchase. And there's some cool city art on the wall. 2 chairs, side tables, and then you have drawers. And then there are 2 lights, and then the bed, and then this really big mirrored closet. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, lots of things inside. It's got a safe, some glasses, fancy robes. Oh, that's cool. The light turns on when you open it. Neato. And it's got a ironing board thing. Fancy slippers. And then go in here. So we had just an entry-level room, so I'm not expecting much of a view. We are on the 13th floor, or 14th floor, my bad. And it's nighttime, so you can't really see too much. But you can see lots of other buildings and can't really see so much right now, but you can look down at the street, which is pretty cool, and there are some other buildings you can see, so that's kind of nice. So that is my room at the Sofitel, New York City, 44th Street, downtown New York, 2 blocks from Times Square. All right, thank you.